The importance of the atmospheric phenomena are connected with the improving of the natural ventilation in order to um, cool the buildings during hot seasons, and it happens through reducing the surface heat, and also it has influences upon the speed of the heat exchange between people and living environment. The next important group of factors are the geophysical factors. And on the first place, this is the location of the building, in which climate and local climate zone it is located. What is the relief of the surrounding environment? Does it have some influence upon the amount of solar radiation and the speed and the direction of the prevailing winds? And also, does it impacts the air humidity? Of course, the local winds, the local air movement, and this group of factors definitely define um, some specific to which the building design and the indoor microclimate design had to concern. For example, Bulgaria has 9 local climate zones, and they're connected to have some water basin like Black Sea or such big river as Danube. Is it a plain or a mountain massif? And is it to the north or to the south? And the last group of factors that have their impact upon designing the indoor climate living environment are the anthropogenic factors or the human-built environment. It is now known that too much buildings and streets and not enough plant and natural soil causes the temperature rise in the middle of big cities, and this phenomena is called heat island. It can reach up to 5 to 6 degrees difference with the urban periphery, where there is more plants and less buildings and streets. And it is because of too much buildings stopping the air movement, stopping the winds, and thus stopping the heat exchange between the buildings and the air. Too much transport and active systems for climatization that also radiate some heat in the atmosphere. And of course, the materials of the building and the streets and the uh, living environment. These materials absorb solar radiation, transform it into heat, and then radiate it back into the air. While plants and soil, plants actually use the solar radiation for their living processes and do not turn it into heat and don't radiate it back.